flood warning in effect from late tonight to tomorrow afternoon. What? Minor flooding is forecast. Where? Lehigh River at Walnut Fort. When? From late tonight to tomorrow afternoon. Impacts, at 6.0 feet, minor flooding begins downstream at Catasauqua and Hokindaqua. Additional details, at 3:30 p.m. Tuesday the stage was 3.4 feet. Forecast, the river is expected to rise above flood stage late tonight to a crest of 8.6 feet tomorrow morning. It will then fall below flood stage late tomorrow morning. Flood stage is 8.0 feet. Flood history, this crest compares to a previous crest of 8.8 feet on September 9, 2011. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood. The following is